Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we will talk about guys Tecno phone guys display and brightness setting guys. One by one, step by step guys I will show you guys. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how to on adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. Friends you want to on your adaptive brightness, so friends you can on it, and guys now let's see how to on adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. In this video I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys your adaptive brightness. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see the display and brightness setting, and tap here, and guys you can see your adaptive brightness setting, and tap here. So friends you want to on, so you can on from this right side, and guys after on guys you can see brightness decrease automatic, because why I am in the room, but when I will go outside, so brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So like that guys you can on guys your adaptive brightness mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Friends, you have any doubt related to guys your brightness setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.